Hey guys, welcome to Buff's Egg and Pest Control. And on this episode, we're shooting from in the city, down in Cardiff, outside a football club. They've had a big problem with rats down there. We shot over 60 rats, or around about 60 rats. You'll see at the end what we picked up, what we could manage. This is thermal footage from when we pressed the button on the big crusher bins they got. And as you see, the rats are just teeming out of there. I couldn't believe it. What you see in that night, it was unreal. But all across that bank and where you see that fence, is just littered in holes. You'd have elevated down there with terriers. These clips are not in any particular order. I've just dragged them onto the computer and just dragged them back over. So there's a couple of shots through here at the end. Then there's going to be a little bit of day shooting, some magpies and pigeons. This shot wasn't the best, a bit messy, but we all get these shots at the end of the day. No one's perfect when we shoot in, and I certainly ain't. The setup I'm using here was my Hawk Air Max, but now I've currently switched over to an Optus. I'm finding it better. Now I got a PVIR illuminator too. So basically when I have the next session out there now, we should get some half decent quality. I'm not the best on these 007 pads. I'm more of the digital night vision. So I'm not gonna waffle on. I'm gonna leave it, get to it, and enjoy. I'd like to mention too that I switched over to the QYS from the JSB Eddies. The QYS are 9.56 grain. I'm finding my Vulcan tool really likes these. They certainly do the job. I'd like to thank everybody for sitting down for 5 minutes and watching this. I hope you'll please like and subscribe and share this to your friends, and let's get more people on board. Thanks everybody, look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Buff's Egg and Pest Control.